Bifen is now sold under the name Talik, and knowing that prevents buying the wrong product when you tackle pest control yourself. Talik is simply the new brand name for the product formerly called Bifen, and the active ingredient profile remains the key thing to check when you shop. Read the label carefully and compare the active ingredient name rather than relying on brand recognition alone, because formulations and concentrations can change even when a brand name stays familiar. Look for the active ingredient and its concentration expressed as a percentage on the label, and note any precautionary statements and application rates for the specific pest you intend to treat. When you are mixing and applying, measure precisely with calibrated equipment, work from a written plan that lists target pests and treated areas, and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if the label requires it. Store any remaining product in the original container with its label intact and keep it locked away from children and pets to prevent accidental exposure. If you are unsure whether Talik matches the performance you expect from older Bifen products, take a photo of the label and ask a knowledgeable supplier or your local extension service to confirm the active ingredient and recommended uses. Common mistakes include assuming brand continuity means identical use instructions, so always verify the label and follow current application rates to avoid underdosing or over-applying. If you are uncertain, contact the supplier for clarification. Another frequent issue is not matching the active ingredient to the target pest, which causes wasted effort and can harm non-target organisms. Fix this by learning the specific pests you need to control and cross-referencing them on the product label before purchase. A third problem is improper mixing or equipment selection that leads to uneven coverage. Prevent that by using calibrated measuring tools, following label dilution steps exactly, and testing equipment on a small area before full application. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners and contractors around projects like pest control, and our site helps people find local professionals and post or respond to job opportunities. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences about products such as Talik and practical tips for safe and effective DIY pest control.